Come take a look at this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Carfax has certified this Avalanche as having one owner. This Avalanche has just under 108,000 miles. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Avalanche boasts an engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, tinted windows, traction control and heated mirrors. Call 803-667-4172 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.